Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox keeps crashing problem. So crash and freezing issues are usually related to low system performance. Launch the Roblox game and navigate to the settings guys. For that press in keyboard escape key and click on the settings. In here you just need to set graphics mode to manual and scroll down. Set graphics quality, you can set to 1 or 2 higher if you have some performance to spare it. After doing it, now you just need to enable the performance statics option to preview the RAM usage and CPU usage, GPU utilization and network related statics such as your ping. These will help you to troubleshoot where the crash and freeze issues are coming from. Now close out of here guys. Now ensure your graphics card driver are up to date guys. To do this, right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the display adapter section, right click on the graphics card driver you are using it, select update driver, select search automatically for driver. Now close out of here and you need to make sure that your windows are up to date guys. To do this, go to search menu and type windows update. Click on open it guys. Click on check for updates. If you have any available updates over here, you just need to update it guys. After updating it, go ahead and restart your PC and your performance will be boost up guys after doing it. Now right click on the taskbar, select the task manager and select the startup apps and now disable all unwanted things in here guys. Epic Game Launcher, Steam or Discord or any unwanted programs. This will reduce your overall CPU usage and help you to free more resources for Roblox guys. After doing it, close out of here. And compatibility issues between the Roblox app on your Windows PC can cause freezing issues with the game guys. To fix this, right click on the Roblox player, select properties, select the compatibility tab, check mark the disable full screen optimization, and if you are using Windows 7 guys, you just need to check mark the run this program as an administrator, check mark it if you are using Windows 7 PC. After doing it, apply and OK for save changes, and you just need to make sure you disable all unwanted extensions. To do this, open up Chrome, select the three dot icon over here and select extensions and select manage extensions and disable all unwanted things in here guys. After doing it, and we need to clear the browser cache and cookies for the roblox.com domain. To do this, click on the three dot icon, select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, you just need to scroll down and select cookies, and you just need to scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here you just need to search for Roblox and you just need to click on the trash icon and clear the Roblox cookies guys. After doing it, close out of here. Now launch the game without any crashing or freezing problem guys. I hope the video helped you all. Thank you.